DataStart is an online, cloud-based electronic capture tool used during the pre-construction and construction processes. DataStart can be used by architects and engineers, contractors, subcontractors, and owners for collaboration and communication, and to provide transparency and visibility of all the construction documents from the beginning of design through the closeout of the project. DataStart sites are a series of pages and libraries that house collections of electronic documents organized by category that participants can access, view, and comment on during the different project phases. DataStart is accessed through a unique login, which determines the permission rights to the site, pages, and libraries. The client homepage is the portal to all ongoing projects for a client or owner. The project homepage is the portal that a participant would access if working on only one project. The programming and design libraries are for professionals to view and comment on the drawings and specifications as they are developed. This construction phase page links to the document libraries, which are organized based on the project specifications. Pages can include as many libraries as the client or users would like to define. Individual libraries can also include unique, customizable columns to define and describe the documents stored in that library. Libraries can be further defined with subfolders. This Division 15 submittal library is broken down into folders as defined by the specification manual's sections. Submittal libraries can be set up to allow for an electronic approval workflow process. The submittal approval workflow process starts when a submittal is uploaded to the DataStart. In this case, the subcontractor starts the process. An email is sent to the submitter stating that the approval process has begun. The first approver, in this case the general contractor, also receives an email that assigns a task to be completed. The message tells the approver where to go to access the information, what is expected from the approver, and how to complete the workflow approval process. The approver is first asked to download the submittal from the DataStart library to his or her computer for review, comment, and stamp. Once the review is completed and the PDF is stamped appropriately, the document is then re-uploaded into the DataStart. Through the wizard, notes can be added which all participants will see on the submittal library page. Also, the version history can be viewed at this time. The reviewer must now complete the DataStart workflow process. By clicking the In Progress link, the first reviewer is taken to the DataStart workflow approval task page. The completion of the DataStart workflow approval requires that the first approver click the response through the wizard that mirrors the stamp on the submittal. If that submittal is approved, the process begins again with the second approver by using the same steps. If a submittal is rejected or resubmittal is required, the DataStart workflow approval process ends automatically and a notification is generated to the original submitter to begin the process again. Once the submittal has been approved by all the reviewers, the submitter receives an email that the submittal has been approved. Workflow approval processes can be created for submittal libraries, the RFI library, or any other library the user chooses. The BuildingWorks DataStart can be a standalone product or used in conjunction with BuildingWorks DataSphere.